Get ready to start loving salads with my M&S Ibérico ham summer orzo salad. Start by boiling your M&S orzo in salted water. Once it's al dente, pour it through a colander, then run it under cold water until it's cooled. In another pan of salted water, boil fresh peas for a minute before adding some thickly sliced sugar snack peas for another 30 seconds. Then put them in a bowl of iced water to cool and crisp up. Grate some M&S Manchego cheese, then shave some more with a vegetable peeler. Add the orzo to a bowl with the drained peas and sugar snaps, some roughly chopped M&S semi-dried tomatoes, halved olives, and a handful each of roughly chopped dill and mint. Mix in lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. Then fold in the grated Manchego cheese. Serve your orzo salads into bowls, sprinkle over the shaved Manchego, then top with a few slices of your M&S Ibérico ham. Now you can whip up a bowl of Mediterranean sunshine, whatever the British weather's doing. I've got loads more recipes using produce from the M&S farms I've been visiting, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.